The correct knife makes difficult jobs manageable while you're deep in the woods. Bushcraft knives are still evolving in 2026 with more durable steels, comfortable handles, and well-thought-out designs that may be used for everything from food preparation and carving to shelter building and firecraft. We're showcasing the top 5 bushcraft knives available on Amazon in this video. Each was chosen for its robustness, adaptability, and consistent performance in actual outside use. These knives are designed to be dependable travel companions, regardless of your level of experience with the woods. Let's get started and discover your next favorite blade. The Dispatch Fixed Blade Hunting Knife is a budget-friendly outdoor tool built for rugged field use. It features a 7.1-inch clip-point blade crafted from high-carbon stainless steel with a thickness around 0.12 inch, giving you good cutting strength and corrosion resistance for general bushcraft and hunting tasks. With an overall length of 12 inch and a weight of about 14.4 ounce, this knife offers solid reach and chopping power while still being manageable on long hikes or workdays. The handle uses a rubberized non-slip grip over a molded core, helping you maintain control in wet or muddy conditions. A heavy-duty nylon sheath with a belt loop provides dependable carry and quick access in the field. Simple, functional, and built with everyday outdoor use in mind, the Dispatch Fixed Blade serves well for camping, hunting prep, bushcraft chores, or emergency kits where versatility matters. The Cold Steel Mini Leatherneck Tonto Point is a compact fixed-blade knife inspired by classic military designs, but sized for everyday carry and utility tasks. It features a 3.5-inch Tonto-style blade made from 8CR13OV stainless steel, offering decent edge retention and corrosion resistance for general cutting and utility use. Overall length is about 6.75 inch, and the knife weighs around 3.3 ounce, making it one of the lighter fixed blades you can carry without sacrificing performance. The handle measures roughly 3 to 5 inch and is molded from crayax, which gives a secure, non-slip grip in wet or rugged conditions. A molded secure axe sheath is included for safe carry on a belt or pack. Practical, durable, and easy to carry, the Mini Leatherneck Tonto Point is ideal as an EDC backup blade or a compact outdoor tool for everyday cutting tasks. The Flissa Survival Hunting Knife is a budget-oriented full-tang fixed blade built for outdoor and survival use. It features a 5.1-inch blade made from D2 steel with titanium coating, offering solid strength for chopping, slicing, and camp work. The blade has a classic clip-point profile with a sawback section on the spine, adding utility for cutting small branches and notching tasks. Overall length measures approximately 9.8 inch, and the knife weighs around 7.8 ounce, giving it good momentum behind each swing while still being manageable on long hikes. The ergonomic micarta delivery a non-slip, comfortable grip in wet or dry conditions, and the kit includes a leather sheath with a belt loop for secure carry. Practical, rugged, and affordable, this Flissa survival knife is a strong choice for camping, bushcraft, and emergency kits where versatility matters. The Poshland hunting knife is a full-tang fixed blade designed for outdoor hunting and bushcraft tasks. It features a 10-inch overall length with a D2 steel blade that delivers strong edge retention and wear resistance for field dressing, wood processing, and general camp chores. With its balance of size and performance, the knife weighs around 10.5 ounces, providing solid momentum without being unwieldy. The handle is crafted from walnut wood with ergonomic shaping to offer a secure grip during heavy use. A heavy-duty leather sheath is included for safe carry on belt or pack, keeping the knife accessible when you need it most. Handmade in design and practical in the field, this Poshland hunting knife blends classic craftsmanship with rugged utility. Perfect for hunting, camping, bushcraft, and everyday outdoor readiness. The Kizer Hare is a versatile outdoor and EDC fixed blade designed for bushcraft,
camping, and general utility. It features a 3.14-inch drop-point blade made from Nitro V stainless steel, known for excellent corrosion resistance, toughness, and edge retention. Ideal for cutting, carving, and field tasks. Overall length measures 7 inches, and the knife weighs approximately 2 ounces, making it compact and easy to carry without sacrificing capability. The handle is crafted from a combination of micarta and G10, offering secure grip and control in all conditions. A sturdy Kydex sheath is included for safe, ambidextrous carry on a belt or pack. Built with thoughtful ergonomics and robust materials, the Kizer Hare is a practical blade for everyday tasks, wilderness use, and survival scenarios. Reliable, balanced, and ready for action.